Hey, we got two really cool things right here. We got a outdoor mirror. Yes, and you can see good through it. Off of it, whatever. We got a EDC comb multi-tool. Let's open that first and see what we got going on here. That looks just neat. Let's see what we got here. As you can see, I'm trying to grow out the beard, so if it works on the beard, we got something nice here. Yeah. Check that out. Bottle opener. Take some staples out. Work on the bike. Keep your hair combed. Yeah, I like that, man. Keep your hair combed. So, that's neat. Now we got this mirror right here. Yeah, I was wondering how reflective it was actually going to be, and it's a perfect mirror. So, yeah, maybe you can see yourself buying one of these. It's metal. It feels like it might bend. I wouldn't want to try it, but keep it in a safe place, and these two things will be your EDC favorites. Till next time.